Hi Hari, we are going to draw a very nice scenery here. This is going to be an elementary drawing, so very simple steps. I'm just putting the contours, you can see here. Okay, and the mountain terrain and the contours are like this one. You can see the ups and downs of the hilly region. Okay, and there's a house here. You can see the pitch roof of the house is going to be like this. Okay, so door and the window, and you can see the contour just going to the water level. This is the fence. All right, and the tree just coming from here, and you can see the branches just going to many directions. View on the water, very old tree, and some clouds formations for the trees you can see here. Just draw like this, and the water body. You can see the two poles here and a boat. Drawing the boat with a black color. Okay, so for the branches you can see just putting some shades. Okay, all right, so that's the simple drawing. After we put the color, you can see the drawing is going to be looking good. Just for the hilly contour, we're just putting the green color. Okay, for the pitch roof, we're just putting the purple color here. Also the purple color for the tree you can see here. For the boat, the doors and the windows will be same color too. For the tree lines, just putting the green color. On the one side. Okay, adding regular water to show the tree and the variations of the shades, and the water is going to be the blue color here. So this is actually the ocean. Awesome. So very simple drawing, just you need a few moments and the drawing is good. Very simple drawing for the beginners. I hope you like the video. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.